Hi, so I don't know exactly where you're at, but I'll just start from the beginning. So if you're in um, a web browser, if you type in SDMC-SSO, which stands for School District of Manatee County, single sign-on, if you click on it, it will ask him to log in using his 10-digit student ID number and the password that he set up. So you have a whole bunch of icons on here. They're probably in alphabetical order. Mine are moved around, but the three that we'll talk about is Focus. Focus is where you will go and look for his grades. If you click on it, you can play around with it. I can't show you mine. The second is there's a tile for Office 365. If you click on it, then you can go to any one of these online and get it to work. And then the third one is Schoology. Now, I put everything in Schoology. When you go up here to courses, you should see all 7 of his courses. Every teacher uses Schoology different. I use mine every day. So if he clicks on my course, there's a welcome folder that has a whole bunch of information in it, and then there is a calendar, and in the calendar it will tell you what we are doing in the for bell work and lesson every day, and I post it the Sunday prior to. So, and then for just so you know, they have all of the information for that week, whatever assignment they're turning in or any kind of asset that they need for it, they get in a week ending 8/28 folder or whatever week ending we are in. But for vocabulary, if you click on Mondays and Thursdays, I do vocabulary, and Friday is the vocabulary test. But if you click on vocabulary, you can click on the link and it will take you. If you want to type this or write this down so you can do it without going through Schoology, this is on the internet, so it is not just something that is available in Schoology. So if you go here, you can see a list of terms so that they can practice this way. They can do flashcards, matching, or concentration. Also, there is always usually a second link, not every week, but there's a second link. It's the exact same words, the exact same definitions, just a different type of game. In this case, it's Battleship. So if he wants to practice with that, then he can use this actual address, and you can type it in anywhere. I hope this helps. If I can do anything else, let me know.